In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve accountability for your team using QuickBooks Time, step by step. We'll walk through the core features you need to set expectations, track hours accurately, and keep payroll clean, all while making it easy for your team to do the right thing. Start by opening your browser and logging in to QuickBooks Time. Make sure you're in the correct company account so your changes affect the right team. Once you're in, head to the left-hand menu and click Time Clock. This is where you can show employees how to clock in and clock out accurately. Encourage them to select the right job or project if that's enabled for your account, add a short note when needed, and confirm they see their status change after clocking in. At the end of their shift or breaks, they should clock out the same way to keep entries precise. Next, click Time Entries to review all submitted hours. Use filters to scan by team member or date range, and keep an eye out for missing breaks, duplicate entries, or hours on the wrong job. If something looks off, you can edit or send it back to the employee for correction so you maintain a clean record before approval. Now move to Approvals. This is where you monitor and approve submitted time before payroll. Set a predictable cadence, like approving at the end of each day or week. Approving time locks it in, so verify totals, look at any overtime, and make sure all entries are accounted for. Click Schedule to assign shifts and projects so employees know exactly what they're responsible for and when. Add start and end times, job details, and any notes that clarify the work. Publish the schedule so your team receives the update and can plan ahead. For deeper insights, go to Reports and open Hours by team member. This helps you track hours worked, identify discrepancies, and gauge productivity. Compare scheduled versus actual hours and follow up on any gaps you find. From My Team, review who has time tracking access and confirm all active team members are logging their time. Remove or deactivate anyone who no longer needs access, and verify roles so managers can approve time for their teams. Under Company Settings, open Notifications to set alerts for missed clock-ins or pending approvals. Choose which managers get notified so issues are caught quickly without overwhelming everyone. Optionally, use projects to assign specific jobs and monitor hours spent per project. This makes accountability crystal clear and helps you stay on budget. Finally, encourage staff to check their own entries and schedules regularly. A quick daily review prevents small mistakes from growing. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.